Hello guys, very quick video to show you how our bulbs are fitted in the Ford Transit Custom. This car requires a bit higher current, CanBus current for the bulbs, and these bulbs, which are not new, we already have them for well over a year, I think even 2 years now. They prove themselves really good in most of the cars that are always tricky with finding, the bulbs that work, that don't throw up error in the dashboard and don't blink fast. They work fine on the Ford Focus, they work fine on Peugeot 3008, Nissan Qashqai, the cars that are always known to be tricky, and we really like the bulbs and hope you like them too. So I'm gonna just show you quickly how to install them and put the links down below as well to these bulbs, and slightly more expensive, this one's sometimes out of stock. The more expensive will also work, but you need at least these ones to be able to have no errors in the Ford Transit Custom. So let's dive right in. So as you can see, it's very simple. You just need to screw open the cap for the bulb. The bulb comes out all together. When you have the bulb in your hand in the holder, just push it down, twist it, pull it out, and you've got the bulb in your hand. Replace with our bulbs the same way. Push it down, twist it, and then put the whole bulb back into the lamp. And as you can see, the effect. So yeah, and obviously the price, I think it's still very good compared to, if you would have to buy them original from Ford. It's probably even cheaper to get them. 1 year warranty and peace of mind. We already tested them for 2 years. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one.